In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the mega menu in the Shopify Dawn theme. This is a convenient way to enhance the navigation experience for your customers and make browsing your store a breeze. So, let's dive right into it and transform your menu into something special. First things first, to set up your submenus, you need to start by clicking on the Content section located on the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in there, you'll want to navigate to the option labeled Menus. This is where all the magic happens, and where you'll create the structure for your navigational hierarchy. Next, select the main menu to begin editing it. This is your primary navigation menu where you'll be adding all your new submenus. To create these submenus, it's as simple as dragging a navigation option slightly to the right under the existing one. The option directly above the newly dragged item will automatically become its parent menu. This hierarchical setup organizes your menu items neatly, helping your customers to easily find categories and products. Now that you've structured your submenus, it's time to make sure they show up as mega menus on your website. Head over to the site editor. This is where you'll fine-tune the appearance of your online store. Once you're in the editor, click on the header section. This action brings up the properties of your header on the right panel. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Menu Type. Here's the important part. You'll want to select Mega Menu from this drop-down. This selection is crucial because it transforms your hard work in structuring those submenus into a beautiful and functional mega menu on your store's interface. After setting the mega menu option, when you open the submenu you created, you'll see that it beautifully cascades down as a mega menu. This is a great way to present organized information to your customers, allowing them to navigate through different categories effortlessly. It enhances the overall look of your website and makes it much more user-friendly. And just like that, with these simple steps, your navigation menu gets a significant upgrade. Implementing a mega menu is an excellent strategy to ensure your site visitors have an intuitive experience. They'll be able to explore your offerings with greater ease, translating into potentially higher conversion rates for your store. So there you have it, a quick and effective way to customize the mega menu in your Shopify Dawn theme. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that it empowers you to create an even better shopping experience for your customers. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Shopify store. Until next time, happy customizing.